Choosing the right video editing software can make a huge difference in your workflow. Today, we're diving into why DaVinci Resolve might just be a better option than Adobe Premiere Pro for your projects. Let's start with the most obvious factor: cost. While Premiere Pro operates on a subscription-based model costing you anywhere from $20 to $52 per month, depending on the package, DaVinci Resolve offers a free version that's feature-packed and powerful. If you want to unlock everything DaVinci has to offer, the Studio version is a one-time payment of around $300. Over time, that's a much better deal compared to paying for Premiere Pro year after year. Now let's talk about color grading. DaVinci Resolve is known for being the industry leader in color correction and grading. With its advanced tools and node-based color workflow, Resolve allows you to push your creativity far beyond Premiere Pro's Lumetri color panel. Professionals in Hollywood rely on DaVinci Resolve for this very reason. Next up, performance. DaVinci Resolve is optimized to run smoother even on less powerful systems. Premiere Pro, on the other hand, can become sluggish, especially when working with high-resolution footage. DaVinci's GPU acceleration helps with rendering playback and exporting, making your editing process faster and less frustrating. DaVinci Resolve goes beyond just video editing. It also integrates Fusion, a powerful tool for visual effects and motion graphics, and Fairlight for professional audio editing, all in one software. With Premiere Pro, you would need to bounce between After Effects for VFX and Audition for audio, adding complexity to your workflow. Speaking of workflow, DaVinci Resolve is designed for a seamless integration between editing, color grading, visual effects, and audio post-production. Everything is in one place, saving you time and simplifying your creative process. So while Premiere Pro has its strengths, especially if you're already part of the Adobe ecosystem, DaVinci Resolve stands out for its cost-effectiveness, advanced color grading, performance, and its all-in-one editing environment. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, DaVinci is a powerful tool worth considering. Which software do you prefer for editing? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.